vibrator. Assemble SIM PBA. Assemble sub PBA. Connect all connectors. Assemble USB PBA. Connect FPCBs on the USB PBA. Tighten one screw. Assemble main camera on the main PBA. Assemble main PBA. Tighten two screws. Connect all connectors. Connect camera connector on the main PBA. Connect battery connector. Assemble rear case. Connect UWB FPCB. Assemble UWB cover. Align anti-static sheet. Tighten 14 screws on the back glass. Tighten 13 screws on the sub-UB. Please note, screws on the back glass are of different sizes. Please be careful while assembling. Attach the back glass tape. Attach the sub-UB tape. Remove protection vinyl. Connect sub-UB FPCB on the sub-PBA connector. Fix sub-UB FPCB cover. Assemble sub-UB. Please note, gently press the sub-UB using your thumb. Assemble back glass and gently press it using your thumb. Put device into the pressing pad and press the back glass using window pressing jig with force 1 Newton for 1 minute. Take out the device and press the sub-UB using window pressing jig with force 1 Newton for 1 minute. Assemble the SIM tray. At last, do the final inspection. So this is how you can assemble Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. Hope this video was of great help. Thank you for watching.